Sojing Yuan. Ah, wala si Sojing Yuan. Bakit wala siya sa ring finals? Dalawa per nation lang. Ah, okay. Zhang Boheng. Nagkamali si Sojing Yuan sa rings ng qualifications. Yes, actually magaling yung isang Chinese doon. Si Asian Championship gold siya eh. Adam Asil gold sa all around ng European Championship and silver nung rings finals. Xiao Sosa is always here. A very competitive ring finalist too. Yes. Ah, Arthur Zanetti. Siya ay trainee ni Arthur. We have here the King Eleftherios Petronias. Yes, the Lord of the Rings, Eleftherios Petronias. Harry Hepworth, Great Britain, a challenger in the rings.
An Olympic medalist on vault, but someone who aspires to win the Olympic title.
Hindi siya mataas masyad. Not that Harry Hepworth difficulty is not that high. Oh, Glenn Coyle.
Of Belgium.
He's a challenger. Well, Glenn should execute well para magano. Diyan ba yung triple pike? Yes, horizontal bar. Or dito. Nag-triple pike si Adam Asil. Ito. Siya. Donald Whitenberg. Nag-triple pike. Donald Whitenberg of USA. Siya yung triple pike noong qualifications.
He has already been on a world championship podium on 2 occasions and he's a history-making gymnast for the USA.
Yes.
The first man to compete at 6 world championships.
Donald Whitenberg. Siya po yung triple pike noong qualifications. This. The first Chinese to perform is an Asian champion in rings. Lan Zhengyu of China, na friend ni Carlos Yulo. Yan ay parati nagka-champions, nag-gold sa rings sa Asian Championship.
Interesting. Lan Zhengyu.
Hindi pa siya nag-world champion, pero Team B kasi siya sa China eh. So, ang pinadala ng China ngayon is Team B.
Hugh, you are very well placed to explain to the world what the unique challenges are of competing on the rings.
Lan Zhengyu is amazing. So, mga teammate nila, nagkatulong-tulong. Different nations to secure the rings is very well.
Definitely agree to be the
calibrating the lines or the strings.
The strength that it requires. I teach adult gymnastics.
Adam Asil is amazing.
Just to hold themselves up in a very simple position, and that alone is extremely hard. And imagine now holding yourself, your whole body in these different positions.
Next time, kailangan ko ng dalawang laptop, isang pang-record at isang pang-live.
That it requires. Not only that, but the level has completely gone.
Ang rings kasi, maano siya eh. Ang tawag dito, marami ba siyang shoulder movement. Sana may kasing galing mag-iron cross ni Liu Liang ngayon. Indeed. Nagka-calisthenics ka ba, Jemerson? Lan Zhengyu. Alam mo si Lan Zhengyu, magaling siya mag-iron cross. World gold medalist sa rings 2021. Siya yung world gold medalist sa rings. Oh. Natawa ka, Jemerson. Anong sports na kinahihiligan mo, Jemer? At ilang taon ka na? Are you 19 years old?
And it's really interesting how, for a lot of people, it is their first way of understanding gymnastics. And I know when I was broadcasting
tennis and gymnastics. Wow, nag-gymnast ka pala. 19 tama.
wasn't able to understand
Good,
because
good
the one
one.
that gives you time to watch and time to
Saan ka
scrutinize.
nagka-practice ng
Yes,
gymnastics,
those
Jem?
positions where the gymnastics
Sa Laguna, may
hold
gymnastics
with
ba
strength
doon? Or
skills,
sa Manila ka
the judges are
nagka-practice?
looking for them to hold that for a
Sa Gap.
minimum of 2 seconds. So it
Fan lang
really
ako ng
is kind of
sports.
like this
I see.
poetic,
Yeah, me too. I'm also a fan.
artistic
Pero
routine
nag-gym
where they're
ako.
holding a position,
I mean, just a
moving to
fan,
the
not a
next
player.
one.
Yeah,
And
me
I
too.
can
I'm a fan of
definitely see
gymnastics.
how
Nagka-calisthenics
they
ako
have
na
become so
basic lang. Basic lang.
widely
Pero not that
known in the
professionals.
world as a
Pero
gymnastics
more
event.
on gym.
It's often
Nag-gym
one of
ako.
the people say they think of when they close their
Nagbubuhat-buhat
eyes
naman.
and think of artistic gymnastics. Just as when people close their eyes and think of rhythmic gymnastics, it's the ribbon they think of above all of the four.
Lansing Yu magaling
For
siya.
people
Asian champion
seeing
siya ng
somebody
ilang
in
taon
pose
na.
position,
Sa
that
rings.
is intrinsically gymnastics.
Yung Team A ng China hindi lumalaban sa Asian Championship eh. Si Seo Jing Yuan, si Na Liu Liang, hindi sila nag-Asian Championship. Hindi sila nag-Continental Championship. Continental Games, yes, but Championship hindi.
Well, what we will not know instantly is who's going to win this World Championship final because we've got
Sorry.
8 excellent competitors. waiting
Indeed,
to
they have a
entertain you,
competitor,
and
yeah.
in doing so, secure world honours.
One of the changes that has been made with this new code of points.
Itataas yata
is
agad
the
ang
dismount.
standard sa ring.
And
Yan.
what we're gonna
Oo,
see
Lansing
here
Yu
is
agad.
potentially some
They will have a
athletes
benchmark.
try a
14.766.
harder
Wow,
dismount.
massive score yan ha.
With that dismount, they're going to
Dagdagan
get
mo yan ng ano, that is
bonus points
15.266
as part of their requirement.
if last year na ano yan.
We'll be watching for those triples.
If last year na
at the close
code
the
of
routine.
points yan,
Here is
15.266
Lansing Yu
yan.
of the People's Republic of China, the top performer in qualification, but by a very marginal amount, 14.766.
Nag-a-adjust,
Mr. Wittenberg, who will be
but
finishing
na
the
bago
final
code of points. Ganun talaga,
14.7.
nagbabago ang code of points kada
It's not
after
quite a step.
Olympics. Let's focus na
Could be
dito.
very tight this final. Let's see how we go.
Wow! Yes!
That is the
Oh my
definition of
God! What a strength!
It's a beautiful and unusual move, that isn't it? To go from under the
Maltese.
rings up into planche.
Galing. Hindi malikot. More on strength and positioning.
very
Yun lang.
smooth.
Sayang. Nagkamali sa handstand. Medyo marami tayong nagkakamali sa handstand sa rings. And you go the planche. Pero medyo wide din yata ang planche niya. The iron cross. Wow. Very awesome. Let's see how Donald Whitenberg will do. Last si Donald Whitenberg ng USA eh. Medyo malikot na yung handstand niya.
What a
Wow,
good
amazing,
performance from
perfect.
Lansing Yu. Now that could be
Excellent,
noteworthy
excellent.
Right off the bat.
Definitely, yes. Straight position.
This
All of
this is
his
a podium
holds
medal
were exactly
finish
what the
for
judges are
sure.
looking for.
Pero yung
Seconds.
ang challenge kay Donald Whitenberg
contender
is
right there.
if gusto niya mag-gold, dapat malinis ang
Not that there's
pagkakaano
any
niya.
surprise. We expected
So,
that from him. Let's have a look
Zhang
at some
Boheng,
more
hindi
intricate
ganun kataas ang
details
difficulty sa
of
rings,
this
pero malinis ang
rings
paggalaw.
routine from Lansing Yu.
I'm surprised si Zhang Boheng mag-final sa
Lovely pike
rings.
position in the Onison.
It should be, Seo Jing Yuan. Ayun, Doon siya nagkamali eh.
Looking for those elements to be well above the
Wow! Perfect Maltese.
Camera angle where you could see nothing of his body apart from his head and shoulders, illustrating the straightness.
Grabe, ang
the
lakas ng
perfect
lower
form of
back
the
niya.
Maltese position.
If you are a calisthenics athlete, you should watch
Did
gymnastics.
have a little
Kasi gymnastics ang pinaka safe sports in comparison to calisthenics. Kasi calisthenics, you're just moving a lot of movements. Tapos yung mga very unsafe ang mga ang equipments and the movements.
for the stick.
Very prone for injury ang mga movements sa calisthenics eh. Kasi ang mga paa okay lang na
The
mag-separate.
only one who did
Alam mo
pick it
yun?
up in qualifying
Prone
was
for
Cleo
injury.
Souza.
Wow, 14.5 bumaba.
So no
Oh,
surprise
14.5
that
kasi
the
bumaba
level
siya
of
kasi because of
qualification
the
for Lansing Yu.
yung handstand gumalaw-galaw.
Still contend for a
Still a
medal,
contender for medal to.
but he's got
sayang
a long
lang.
wait now to see if it's sufficient.
Xiang Boheng strength is the execution.
Zhang Boheng of the People's Republic of China.
14.6 qualification.
14.6
Wow.
in the preliminary round.
Imposibleng matalo talaga ni Carlos Yulo si Xiang Boheng sa all-around
Of the
eh.
top qualifier.
Hanggat nandun sina Xiang Boheng tsaka Hashimoto and Oka, mahirap siyang mag gold and silver sa all-around. Nice one. Linis ni Xiang, oh. Iron Cross. Medyo mataas na yung shoulder. At saka yung kamay.
It's a beautiful move up into
Yes,
handstand.
beautiful.
So effortless looking.
Very effortless. Nice ang handstand niya.
How is his dismount?
Wow!
Very secure.
Very secured, Xiang Boheng.
Will he possibly
Nice
just
one,
have the
Zhang.
edge over Lan Xingyu? A lot of quite similar moments in that routine.
Malinis si Xiang
Great
Boheng dito eh.
execution from Zhang Boheng.
Very similar. The judges are going to have a hard time with this one. Lines were straight, similar. The timing of the strength skills, the handstands, and a similar hop on the dismount.
They really have produced so many.
Yung mataas ang ang position ng shoulder niya sa rings.
Chinese, 2 of the last 3 world champions have been from their country.
Pero I love the pike position niya,
I would
linis.
say his Yamawaki move was
Exceptional ang
maybe
Yamawaki.
a little lower.
Really?
That could be something the judges take off from.
Very good twisting form, hasn't he?
Very good. Tight
Great
twist
job, great
with the
job,
double
Xiang.
twist with the double layout dismount.
Hindi man lang mag-smile si Xiang. Napakatipid mag-smile ni Xiang eh.
14.5 from Lan Xingyu.
So 14.466. Bumaba.
From Zhang Boheng. We thought it would be really close. And just about, Lan Xingyu has it.
So may chance na sina Adim, si Eleftheros at saka si Donald Whitenberg.
Lan Xingyu 4/10 stronger.
They have to do this well.
This is Adam Asil, the world champion from 2022, the second man from Turkey to win the title after Ibrahim Çolak became the first Turkish world champion full stop in 2019.
Si Asher Hong, what if di na injured kaya? Kaya Asher Hong, magaling din siya, bro.
All-around and rings champion, an unusual double to do, especially making it a double-double.
Wow! Galing ah.
Certainly it is, especially for a gymnast who does compete in the all-around, to be so strong on the rings.
Wow! Ang linis. Parang idol ni Adim si Liu Yang ah. Actually hindi, ang idol niya si Eleftheros Petronias. Good handstand, malinis ang handstand.
This is elegant.
Very elegant.
Unique skill.
Very great sa kanyang iron cross. Nice ang level ng shoulder sa rings. At sa kanyang planche. Wonderful. May counting wiggle sa handstand. County lang. Minimal.
Extremely impressive from Adam Asil.
Yeah.
His dismount
Wow!
is
Yes,
top
Adim.
notch.
Galit si Adim.
The incredible thing about Adam Asil
Incredible, Adam.
is how quick he is, how sharp he looks when he moves up into his handstands. Every position is hit with authority.
Great job, Adam. So si Adam,
Things like
sinayang ng Egypt si Adam. Kasi sa Egypt, parang hindi yata ganun ka
there was no bending.
nabibigyan ng pagkakataon mag-improve si Adam eh. Kaya inadapt siya ng Turkey.
One cannot say enough good about him. He's such a lovely gentleman, really diligent, humble chap.
Ayun, oh.
Textbook.
Wow,
flash
indeed, it's a
position right
textbook
there.
position.
That was
What a
ridiculous.
shot.
That was
Yung
like
mga ibang audience,
watching
nag-text-text
an
lang eh habang
animation or
nanonood.
something from the
Walang
Code of
pakala sa
Honor. They're
pinapanood nila.
computerized.
Because they cannot understand what they are watching. Wow, great job, Adam.
Barely put his feet on the ground before he started screaming in celebration.
Wonderful, Adam.
14.466 in qualification.
Dapat tumaas to.
Better
14.566,
here.
better.
Into gold medal position. Adam Asil.
So we still have Eleftherios Petronias,
After the first three.
one of the best. Great job, Adam.
He's a passionate man, isn't he?
I love
Wants
to
to
see
win.
Wonderful, Adam.
And he kisses
Xiao
the
Sosa
flag on
should
the
do
liaison
well.
of the nation that
Dapat si Xiao,
he
dapat
made home
maging
after
malinis.
the city of his birth.
Xiao has a
Alexandria,
difficulty,
he
pero
beat
yung execution medyo mababa
Caio
eh.
Sousa,
Hindi ganun
the
kalinis.
eighth best in qualification.
Xiao Sosa
He did pick up the
should
bonus.
have a good and clean
14 beat
executions
333.
for him to be on a good
And he's the
podium.
reigning Pan-American all-around champion 3 times.
Great to see Caio competing.
Wala
still.
ba
I
siya?
competed with
Xiao
him many
Sosa
times.
doesn't have a reputation
He's
in the
respected, isn't
rings,
he?
but who knows?
He's great, and I love how excited he gets after his routines, especially after a stick.
We might get one because we saw it in the preliminary round.
Maltese to Iron Cross. Yamawaki Unison to handstand. Medyo malikot ang handstand at nag-bend ang elbow. Good Iron Cross. Wow! Amazing dismount.
Wow.
Triple tuck.
That's what you were talking about.
Exactly.
Triple
So,
tuck dismount.
with that, he will get some extra bonus points for that difficult dismount.
Yeah, that's
added to
very
his
difficult
strong
dismount.
value. Huge triple.
Now I have a simple question for you.
That's very difficult dismount. Lalo na yung triple pike. Ni Donald Whitenberg. Yun lang, the rest of the executions is a little bit medyo messy ng slight
The
lang.
momentum coming down from the handstand position, the swing down.
Difficulty-wise, hindi ganun kataas.
As you're going back up to
And not that
elevate
high
and
for
pull your
difficulty in
body up. So
comparison
it's kinda
to
working
Adim Asil.
the synergy of all of that. And he did it very well.
Adim
because
Asil
I
din
got my neck
is mas
looking
malinis ang kanyang execution.
up. It was.
It was extraordinary, wasn't it, the height?
Indeed, it was very extraordinary.
The handstands here, rings turned in slightly. The judges will deduct for that.
Yeah.
See, he holds on to the rings as he's swinging up, which gives him that extra little bit of height.
Wow. Great job. Great job,
You
Xiao.
got to see it. You got to see a happy Caio Sousa. It's one of
I
your
love
favourite
it.
things.
I love to see the smile of Xiao Sosa.
That's a gymnast that loves to perform.
14.166.
It's his score. He's in fourth position. We're at the halfway stage of this men's rings final, and Adam Asil, world
Yeah, it's a
champion
difficulty. Medyo
from
mababa difficulty eh, pero okay lang.
2022 is leading.
I am happy to see him performing
We still
in the
have to
finals,
come. Eleftherios
presenting his
Petronius
nation. It's a Glenn Kyle, ano to eh, European Championship.
His career,
Nag-ano to eh, nag-podium siya eh.
Championship titles, 8 European titles. We've got Harry Hepworth of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. To his right, just a moment ago, was Glenn Curler. A real stealth mover in the world of the rings. He's suddenly started to really put it all together.
Eleftherios Petronias, hindi tumatanda eh.
I believe this is Dornell's
Parang bata
sixth
parati
appearance
eh.
at a World Championships,
10 years 2016
which is just great to see
Rio
him
Olympics
continuing to pursue his
silver,
ultimate goal,
gold siya nung ano,
a US
nung
Olympian.
sa rings nung 2012 Olympics. GOAT na yan si ano eh. Si Eleftherios Petronias ng Greece.
Had that
This Eleftherios Petronias is already a GOAT.
bittersweet task of being a
Kung mayroong
reserve
Simon
to
Biles,
Olympic
mayroong
Games. It
Eleftherios
was
Petronias. Sa rings nga lang
the
siya.
hardest position to occupy. It's so
Glenn
near
Kyle
and
is
so far.
this one from
Absolutely. I've been in that
Belgium.
similar situation
Glenn
myself.
Kyle is
But
a
you can see
challenger.
his
Si Harry Hepworth
love and
pumalit kay
passion
Max
for the sport
Whitlock.
had kept him
Yeah,
going
si
this
Harry
long.
Hepworth is pumalit kay Max Whitlock. Siya ang ano,
He's a spring chicken by comparison. The 23-year-old
ang pumapalit kay Max Whitlock. And we have, hindi lang before Max Whitlock lang eh. But now we have Jake Jarman, Max Whitlock, and Luke Whitehouse.
1903 when Francois
Joe Fraser is also great in parallel bar. Pero para nag-focus na yata sa ano sa pagko-coach si Joe Fraser.
and did it at the very first ever World Championships held in the city of
Retired na
Antwerp.
kasi si
Hosted
Max
the last
Whitlock,
edition.
indeed. Yes. Retired na
Will
sila.
there be due for another?
So every month naman meron naman silang evaluation
Streets
eh.
of Antwerp, if that happens. They're very excited by him in Belgium, and quite rightly so. How can you not have so
Donald
much
Whitenberg
respect for
is
Donald
one
Whittenberg?
of the
I mean,
best
he
gymnasts
really
too.
is a statesman of the sport.
Absolutely. It really
Wow,
shows
grabe
to
ang buff ni Donald
his
Whitenberg.
team, you know,
Talagang
his
kitang-kita
sport
mong
has
nag-ano eh,
become so
nag-workout
much,
na maigi sa rings.
longevity and perseverance, and who can you know stick with it. Sometimes in his case, it's been working out for him. He's now one of the veterans and leaders
Yeah.
on the team.
Wow, wow! Triple pike. Nag-triple pike sa warm-up. Parang di ko gaano nakikita mag-parallel bar si Kaloy. Yeah, hindi siya nag-parallel bar si Carlos Yulo ngayon kasi may wrist injury. Nagka-wrist injury siya 2 months ago. So, di niya na pinokus ang parallel bar
You'd certainly always
kasi
try
may
to
nagka-wrist injury na 2 months ago. So, nag-focus na siya sa floor and vault.
On the subject
We are
of
happy kay
people
Carlos
who
Yulo
are
winning the
just
vault.
delightful.
Floor
On the
bronze
subject of
medal.
headgear that's just delightful. Look at those two. Marvelous. I can't choose my favourite. Back to him though. Back to the Lord of the Rings.
We now have the Lord of the Rings. Yes.
Eleftherios Petronius. He's a gentleman. Away from the competition.
Nung sa ano, Birmingham yung World Championship, daming nanonood.
Warm-spirited.
Dito parang ano lang, no?
He has
Mapakal
the
sa mga
warmth of his
Indonesians.
family, his children, that he says gives him so much strength. He had a very
14.366 with Eleftherios Petronias.
successful time away from the sport. He decided that he wouldn't compete again until 2026 after the Olympic Games. He went on holiday with his family.
Hindi marketable sa Indo.
In
Oo.
the second week, his children fell asleep in the afternoon and he went to the gym. He called his coach and said, I'll see you next week back at training. He's back doing what he loves and we are thrilled that he is back.
Yeah, we love Eleftherios Petronias to be in the rings. Our Lord of the Rings.
Oh,
Correct. Tama ka. Ang galing ni Eleftherios. Wow, open ang planche niya, kamay sa planche. And very stable ang handstand. Wonderful. Tama ka, Jemmer. From planche to iron cross. Ang galing, ha?
Point and opens up.
He can be gold here. Yun lang. Minus point doon sa
there's a wobble there.
nag-arc. Wow, great job, great job.
Bold conclusion to his routine.
Great conclusions for Eleftherios. Maybe silver or gold or bronze. It might be a podium finish. Wonderful Eleftherios.
Eleftherios Petronius, one of the greats.
Yes,
I'm
it's
sure our
certainly
heart
one of the
has come
great.
back because what a treat that was.
Sabi ni I heard that Miguel Bisanya will be one of the commentators sa Junior World Championship.
You can absolutely imagine it, can't you? Him taking some time after the Olympics where he won a bronze medal.
Sana in the future mag-World Championship din sa Pilipinas.
Having a break and then just suddenly reaching that point where he goes, just
Pero sana naman wag maging corruption yung yung pag-World Championship sa Pilipinas.
Absolutely, I had a moment like that after.
Maganda sa Pilipinas pa mag-World Championship kasi marami silang pupunta, makapagpalawan sila. Kung hindi naman sa Indonesia, they can go to Bali after the World Championship.
Where is he going to be on the leaderboard? Not quite.
14.3, pang-apat lang.
14.3.
Oh, so it may be Adim Asil versus Donald Whitenberg. It's fine, Eleftheros. May mga mali si Eleftheros eh. Medyo maano siya, yung kanyang handstand, may lokit ng slide. So, Harry Hepworth now. So, kailangan ayusin at linisin ni Harry Hepworth ang kanyang mga executions para he can have a good placement here. Diba? He should have a... Okay, that's good for Harry Hepworth. Nice, inverted iron cross. Very stable.
Starting off with some great positioning here.
Whoa, iron cross to planche. Oh, grabe, lakas ha. Yamawaki to handstand, stable handstand. Kung di lang nalikot yung then to planche. Kung di lang nalikot si Elefthero sa handstand niya, magpo-podium yun. Wonderful, Harry. Wonderful handstand. Yeah, secured. Wow! Sayang! Ay, wala na. 1 whole point.
Such a great routine. That's what we were talking about.
Sayang.
Those difficult dismounts to get those couple extra tenths of difficulty for the routine.
Sayang.
Unfortunately, it cost him.
My
some
God.
tenths here.
And he has
Tenths
said
lang yon.
that his goal is to be the Olympic champion on the rings. He knows he needs to add difficulty. So we are probably going to have a period like this where the routines might be a touch on the hit and miss side from Harry Hepworth as he bolsters it with more complexity.
So he wants to be a gold medalist in the rings.
He's ambitious, that's clear.
Ang galing niya sa rings ha. Sayang yung ang ganda na executions lahat yung dismount lang. 1 whole point deductions ba yun? Or 0.1 lang deductions?
It is rare to see a gymnast so strong on the rings or an event and do the all around as well. Typically now we have a lot of specialists. Just looks like he held on.
Ayun oh.
Let go a little bit too soon. Didn't get that lift.
Okay lang. 13.366. Sayang. So Adim Asil guarantee medals now. Guarantee niya si Adim Asil. Glenn Kyle, may reputation siya sa mga World Cup series, pero not in the major competition. 1 whole point yung deduction kay Harry. Sayang.
Who was 7th in qualification. He is another with a triple back to dismount. He recently won gold at the Paris World Challenge Cup. Revenge for the Olympic Games, where he had trouble on his dismount.
Wow.
He's tough, this gentleman.
He must do well on his executions. Whoa. Oh, not that tidy.
Down and up, those valued skills are going to be very
mababa ang
worth a lot.
okay naman. average for his Iron Cross. Good job for the Iron Cross, Glenn Kyle. Ay! Malikot ang handstand. Mahirap to mag-podium.
Now he needs to really get up into the air.
Ah, muntik na.
Just had a
Good one.
job landing. But
So, we will be expecting a lot of mga pagkakamali for the World Championship. The next World Championship. Kasi pini-perfect nila to eh.
Dismount, and the strength was there. There definitely is some potential here to be in the medals. I'm excited to see.
Wonderful.
important context is that he suffered a pinched nerve in his neck shortly after the Olympic Games. So the process between then and now has been very complicated and involved a lot of difficult rehabilitation. One can only imagine as a ring specialist what a pinched nerve in the neck is going to do to you. The pain that he has had to endure. Only really made a proper comeback in June. And I think something that we ought to say about him is that at the Olympic Games, he was the only one of the apparatus finalists who had no experience of finals at continental, world or Olympic level. Of all, I think 48 or so of them.
That does say a lot about a gymnast's character.
Triple
composure,
back,
they can
1,
really
2.
perform and just
A
do
double
their thing
tack to
feeling the
turns,
pressure and just
dismount.
kind of
Okay lang yan, bro.
Seemed rather distracted there for a moment, Hugh. Can't think why.
yeah.
13.933.
13,
Dahil sa kanyang mali sa pag-dismount.
for Glenn
Pagbagsak
Kyle.
lang,
We
carry
look
lang.
forward to seeing how his career develops. It's exciting.
Here's the man. Sana maging maayos si Don Whitenberg para I want him to have gold medal sa World Championship
A pleasure to watch.
because mas nag-work hard siya eh.
Bill Whittenberg,
I want to give him a gold.
second best in qualification.
I was talking to Donnell earlier today. He said it's just another day. Just another day.
You didn't send me on Instagram. Yasan
To be,
Vlogs.
that
Oh really?
comparison, that
Kindly message me in Instagram, bro,
One of the
Yasan.
reasons why he's enjoyed such longevity and had such a fine career. Now, if he does what he did in
Yes,
qualification,
tama.
he's going to become the world champion.
That's
And
very
my
true,
goodness,
bro.
Look at that finger point and that
Wow,
shoulder.
that Iron Cross, bro.
So impressive.
Wonderful and impressive. Yes, indeed. And you have that Maltese to planche. Medyo not that tidy. Handstand. Sway-sway lang.
This man
Lunch is
has
amazing too.
Titanic strength, but he also has titanic willpower.
Handstand, wonderful.
To a hugely important conclusion.
Wow! Yay! Oh my God! What a strength!
Oh, wow.
What a strength!
Triple back in the pike
Triple back in the pike position.
position. That was the Whittenberg performed by the one and only Whittenberg.
The Whitenberg. What a dismount. Grabe mga katawan ng coach niya, oh, mga buff na buff
The other
eh.
competitors did the same triple in a tuck position. Wittenberg in the pike position.
Wonderful.
That's really important, isn't it? That's an I degree of difficulty. It is
Wonderful Whitenberg.
up there amongst the very highest single moves that you can see in gymnastics.
100%, and that could very well be the difference in this final right
Yes,
here.
bro.
That one dismount with a great landing as well.
Ang ganda ng lines
Open
niya sa kanyang
hands,
Maltese.
Very impressive.
Very
Just clean
perfect.
lines.
It's very
The
strengthful.
last time he was on a world championship podium was
Yeah, we hope to see again Carlos Yolo in the parallel bar. Kaya lang kasi sa parallel bar, sa totoo lang, mga kapatid, a lot of gymnasts have improved at na kumbaga Naunahan na nila si Carlos Yulo. Marami nang malalakas sa parallel
He is
bar.
also likely to have the highest difficulty score for the reasons that my colleague articulated so clearly. 6.0.
Natanggal na kasi yata ni Carlos Yulo yung yung one hands rail.
That starts with a 6.
I'm not so sure. Pero ano siya medyo hindi niya na perfect yung one hand rail
Beautiful
sa parallel
dismount
bar.
here. Holds onto the rings. Quick flip. Nice tight.
Yes,
Sees
yes.
the ground.
Wonderful. Super taas pati ng score sa parallel bars due to difficulty kaya laging 15 ang labanan. Indeed, indeed. You're very right.
He'd retire after the World Championships in 2021. He's
14.7! Yes! World champion, Donald Whitenberg. I'm so happy for being sa world champion.
Don't go away anytime soon, will you?
Silver medal for Adim Asil.
We love having you around.
We love you, Donald Whitenberg, for being gold in the world champion, the rings. Wonderful, Donald.
In a decade, and there's a delighted Adam Asil alongside him.
Yes, wonderful, Donald. Woo!
Once again, he is on a world podium. And Lan Xingyu.
That's
bronze medal
who was this name again?
for that man.
Certainly.
The gymnast
slow and
before that
steady has
now
won
a
the race
coach.
today. Fabulous performance by Donell.
Silver for Adim Asil. Ang gagaling ng third ng ng ring specialist natin.
There's a whole load of people there who just
Xiang Boheng congratulated and Lang Zhengyu congratulated his friends. They are all friends here. Yeah. Big congratulations to all of you. And we have here Lan Zhengyu
But we have got the presentation still
and
to come, so do please remain with us to
Xiang
see
Boheng,
those
Glenn
deserving
Kyle.
honours handed out.
More workout pa.
The classified results in the men's
Yes, here's the qualified result. Donald Whitenberg, USA gold, 14.7. Adim Asil of Turkey, 14.566. Lan Xingyu of China, bronze medal, 14.5. Congratulations. Xiang Boheng, 14.46. Top 4, Electric Petronius, 14.3. Top 6. Top 5, top 6, Charles Sosa. Tagal ng gymnastic pala ni Whitenberg. Oo. Luke Whitehouse. Itong kalaban ni Carlos sa floor ngayon Jake Charman tsaka Luke Whitehouse. Siyang kalaban ni Carlos Yulo. Nakaka-enjoy naman to. Bukas sama-sama ulit tayo ha. So bukas 10:45 baga live na ako. Ay 10:40. I will do my best.
It's almost lovely that moment where you see an
Donald Whitenberg, I really love him. I'm so happy for him.
to loved ones, they
And I am very proud of Donald Whitenberg.
selfie when they're on the podium. Pops it into his pocket now.
Lance and you.
Let's see you, the bronze medalist in the rings competition, back on the World Championship podium. He took the world title in 2021 and he played his part in a very enjoyable final here 4 years on.
Susulitin na to ng Indonesia. Last hosting na ata nila gawa ng issue
Another World champion
Issue with Israelites.
Adam Asil of Turkey, overjoyed to pick up silver in this final.
Marami kasing radical Muslim sa sa Indonesia. Delikado din ang buhay ng mga Israelita doon.
If you're looking for a human being who embodies the phrase never give up,
Yes, never give up.
Looking for somebody.
Yeah, if you feel this, hoping for hosting pa naman ata sila sa Olympics.
Going,
Na bad shot.
keeps coming back and keeps believing
Grabe.
and keeps
Actually,
fighting.
katawan, ano yun eh.
It's his reward.
Is the IOC's... Sila naman pasimuno ng pagkabanban na yan. Di ba binala nila ang Russia? O sino pa sumuno? Di si IOC. Naku. Anyways, pag-usapan yan. Donald Whitenberg, the best. One of the world's best, promise. I'm so proud of him. If you give up in life, don't give up. It's Donald Whitenberg's that gives an example of hope, faith, and don't worry.
The national anthem now of the United States of America.
Sam Mikolak. Si Sam Mikolak. Wonderful, wonderful. Big congratulations to all of
The
you.
Star-Spangled Banner.
I'm so proud of
In 1814. There's the key man, Donald Whittenberg.
Donald Whitenberg, Adim Asel, and Lance Yu. Magagaling sila lahat.
Medalists in the men's rings competition.
Siyempre, di mawawala ang selfie, pa-selfie ni Adim Asel.
Adam Asil was planning it.
Always.
The music to the Star-Spangled Banner was written by John Stafford Smith. Well, from John Stafford Smith to another Smith, Hugh Smith, who's been alongside me today. What are your reflections on the day?
Wow, this World Championships first 3 events has been such a treat. We saw some veterans like Donell take his spot as a world champion after
Big congratulations to
years.
you,
We saw some
Donell.
young, hungry
Naiyak si
gymnasts
Donell
coming
eh.
out, showing what they can do.
Kasi grabe yung effort niya talaga dito eh. Di nag-give up.
And we gave a chance for this Indonesian fans to witness such a grand, amazing event.
Wonderful. Big congratulations Indonesia dito.